all of you. Today we are going to learn Geography Standard 6. Chapter number 6, Importance of Ocean. So students, before going to start new chapter, do you remember what we have learned in last lecture? In last lecture, we have completed chapter number 5, Temperature. So, in this lecture, we are going to start with a new chapter. So, students, let's begin. In the previous standard, we have studied the lithosphere and hydrosphere of the Earth. The proportion of land and water on Earth and also the major oceans. Note the area of each ocean given in the following table. As you can see, page number 31. Students, open chapter number 6 and page number 31 of your textbook. Okay? So, as you can see in the table, there are 5 oceans and also area in square kilometer. So, first is Pacific Ocean. So, students, Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean occupied the area. So, the area of Pacific Ocean is 16 crore 62 lakh 40,977 square kilometer. Second highest ocean area occupied is 8 crore 65 lakh 57,402 square kilometer. Third largest ocean is Indian, is 7 crore 34 lakh 26,163 square kilometer. Fourth largest ocean and the area is Southern Ocean and the area is 2 crore 3 lakh 27,000 square kilometer. And the smallest ocean is Arctic Ocean and the area is 1 crore 32 lakh 24,479 square kilometer. So students, these are the 5 oceans and also we learn about the area in square kilometer. The hydrosphere includes all the water bodies that exist on the earth. This covers all the oceans, seas, rivers and their tributaries, lakes, reservoirs and also groundwater. Of the total global water, 97.7% is contained in ocean. Students, do you know we always see the living world around us, that is animal, plant and also human beings. There is considerable diversity in the living world on land. The living world in the hydrosphere is many times greater than the living world on earth. Hydrosphere means what? Water, right? And it has a much greater diversity, as you can see in the picture of 6.8 living thing in the hydrosphere. You can see the picture on the page, textbook page number 31. Students, do it yourself. Use the following ingredients. First, you have to take 1 ball of rice flakes, that is oil, 1 teaspoon oil, 1 tomato and a small onion, diced chili powder to taste. Mix all the ingredients well. Give the mixture to all your friends and ask them to Add some salt to the mixture and taste it again. Means you have to add again some salt in the mixture and again taste it. Okay. What differences do you notice in the dish you tasted earlier and later? What do you think made the dish really tasty? For what other purpose do you see the last ingredient at home? Discuss the source of these ingredients. So students, you must have noticed that after the water evaporates completely, a whitish layer is left in the dish. If you taste it, you will find that it is salty. You will realize that these are the salts in the water. In drinking water, the proportion of salts is quite low. Water from oceans and seas has a greater amount of salt as it tastes salty. Have you ever visited near the sea or beaches or oceans? You must have noticed the taste of that water is salty, right? Think a little. Where does the water flowing through the rivers go in the end? Are there volcanic eruption in the seas? So students, the water flowing through the rivers goes in seas, oceans in the end. There are volcanic eruptions in the seas. You can see the picture given below, that is figure number 6.3, volcano under the oceans. Right students? Students, there is abundant aquatic life in the oceans, from the microscopic planktons to huge whales. Different types of living things are found in the oceans. Oceans, they die. Once they die, their remains accumulate in oceans only. Okay? All rivers flowing from mountainous and hilly areas finally meet the ocean. Sediments from eroded lands, trees and bushes flowing with the water, dead remains, etc. enter the ocean with this river water. In both the above processes, the dead remains decomposes, means dead plants, dead animals, dead fishes, right? Releasing various minerals and salt in the ocean water. Volcanic eruptions occur on land. Similarly, volcanic eruptions take place in the ocean as well. During volcanic eruption, different minerals, ashes, salts and gases are added to the water. This increases the level of salts and minerals in the ocean water. Due to the continuous evaporation of oceanic waters, the proportion of salts increases. All these things makes the ocean water salty. The salinity of ocean water is different at different places. Salinity is expressed in terms of meals, that is particles per thousand. The average salinity of oceanic water is 35°. The Dead Seas is known to have the maximum salinity. Its salinity is about 332%. We obtain salt from the salty waters. Salt as a substance is obtained by constructing salt pans in the coastal areas. Salts is an item in our diet, right? Whenever we eat some food, we need salt. Without salt, we don't get the taste. So many minerals like phosphate, sulfates, iodine, etc. are also obtained from the sea. We depend on ocean to some extremes. So students, I hope you understood whatever I explained this lecture. In next lecture, we will going to learn further topic of this chapter number 6, importance of oceans. Okay students, thank you.